This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your body and environment. That matters more than flair. Focus on a 5-8-minute dynamic warm-up for ankles, hips, and knees so you can control extension. Once done, test the surface and set your camera to 120-240 FPS for visible slow motion. Begin with small vertical hops, practicing a controlled tuck and steady arm swing. These early reps teach timing and help you feel the eccentric control that makes slow motion look clean. You now work on the ascent phase with intent. Drive through your heels and extend the hips fully to create long, controlled lift. Make sure to coordinate an upward arm sweep that contributes momentum, then begin to decelerate it as you reach the top so motion slows naturally. Exhale on the push and maintain a brief isometric hold at the apex. This slight pause, combined with tension in your core and quads, creates the visual slow motion effect viewers expect. You complete the jump by focusing on a soft, controlled descent. Land with knees tracking toes and absorb impact through hips and ankles rather than locking joints. After each take, review frame by frame to check timing of arm arrest, apex hold, and knee bend. This feedback loop is crucial. If motion looks rushed, reduce jump height or tighten your core and lengthen the apex hold. If you still struggle, ensure your takeoff timing and camera FPS match, and repeat slow, deliberate reps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.